Alright guys, I want to show you another little tool in Blender. Okay, I'm in my viewport, perspective mode. I'm going to go to edit. So now my tools change here. And there's Inset faces. Okay, I want to make sure I have faces. I want to hit the A key to deselect. I want to pick a face. So I think I'm going to do the top one. And this is literally going to inset this one face. I just hit the inset. Okay, now you get this long thing, and as soon as I pull in, see what's happening? It's creating, pulling back and forth. And I'm just like scrolling back and forth, so I think I like it right here. And then I tend to hit return. Okay, so now it's, if you look at it from the top, it's inset the actual face. And now I'm going to hit the E for extrude, but I'm going to do it from a perspective view. You can see E. I'll bring it up. I'm just going to hit return. So I've taken that. You can do the opposite though. Like I could click this face and I'm going to inset face. And now I'm going to bring this in. So I'm just going to hit extrude, but now I'm going to bring this in, hit return. Yeah, so this is great for like windows. And this could change, this could be in addition to your chair. This could be how you could add a drawer to your table. You could, if I wanted, I could get so fancy and add little a handle, like some rectangular handles to it. But that's how I would maybe create a different styling of your chair, or to add a feature to make your table look different. So that's the inset tool.